Good afternoon. My name is Laura Isabel Ramirez Ibarra. I am a public accounting student, 20 semester.
And then I am going to show you the presentation of my synchronous story. I'm going to visit 18 Julia, Max, and Theo had always participated in the first year and was helped. For them it was too important to participation. Alter we would with the compassion start Max fell will reach bicycle and broke his arm and Theo grabbed in a terrible stomachache. 20. So Julia and two competed alone and in 2010 Julia 2010 Julia was the first to fin the 30th map. 3. BT year 2015 Max had two till a hocket to create a Angrochi pirate. This has a great challenge for Max because they are chosen team on one tall team goals, hockets, and the goals. 14. In year 2020, Theo Hampton put up with the parts of matchful lit Mervit. Theo was very cheerful and halted team high shifting blank parks on his damage for than result it was is 2 to pass it. Thank you.